Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Before we get into it, let me just tell you now, I'm on the floor. The setting is different today because I want to be comfy doing this video. I know it's go funny, and I one of them video here when I don't want to edit, I just want me enough to laugh and chat and read them stuff here. When you probably don't know what me I talk about. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram now. I'm gonna put it down here. So the same name as my YouTube channel, guys, all over. TikTok, Instagram. So yeah. When I got here enough nice because I'm right at the doorway. In regards to the hairstyle now, I did this intentionally to show you guys what Jason was talking about in the video where he said the hairstyle when me use and catch him. And this thing did that talk. My ear used to, the real OG them know, my ear used to always look like this every single day. So Jason wouldn't mind if me do this to my ear every day. Can't tell when last me do it, but it's not bad, it's not bad. It's just that my hair wet now, so it kind of just look, you know, shrink together. So yeah, another page made the post and me I said, but I love to hear what una have to say. So Mega just asked you and reply in a YouTube video, which is this video obviously. So the post is, what's the pettiest reason you won't date somebody? And trust me, uno go in. I'm not read out all of them because I don't want to spoil the fun for myself. But I see about the first 6. I may tell you now, no, funny bad. I want to see my raw reaction to what I have to say. So let us get right into it. So, for the petty reason of why you want to date somebody, first person on the list is Jackie. Jackie said he is not Jamaican or at least Caribbean. I hope everybody who's sending them little 2 cents or watch this, you know. Because I want to ask you a question and I want to reply in the comment section. Jackie, where you come from? Like, are you Jamaican or tell me. Next person is Bling Don because they said hi. Okay, remember what's a petty reason, guys. In regards to the high business, I don't really love it when we are text. It's annoying. When you say hi to me, what me I go say after? I go say back hey, or hey, or hello. So just, get to the point. Empress J say, can't dress. Okay. Shade say, if they talk over me continuously, instead of just waiting their turn. I mean, I think that is a petty reason for not date somebody. I think that is a valid reason. Because that can be very annoying after a while in our relationship. Shade again say if they are rude to any random person, in brackets, when it's not necessary, of course. Yeah, I don't like that either. Shade again say boastful, egotistical, I not say nothing more. Yeah. I understand, Shade. And again, I not think that is a petty reason for not date somebody. I think that is a valid reason to not want to date someone. Guys, as I said, I'm there at the doorway, so you guys might hear talking and like people are past the gate and stuff like that. Shade again, Shade going, Shade again say if them love them mother, if them not love them mother. Sorry, Shade. That is not a petty reason for not dating somebody. That is a valid reason. Like when I say valid, very valid. Because why would you not love your mommy? I mean, I understand so you can't have a little differences. But if you just get up and say, well, let me not say that either, because everybody's story is different and everybody's situation is different. So I cannot be judgmental. Where am I? Okay, so Stevie say our forehead no fit our face. Okay, Stevie. Jackie says shorter than me. Okay. Guys, remember I know it's a petty reason. I don't have no problem with height. Short, tall, no matter me. I don't know, I love my men them unique though. I don't love when them too cute. Guys, I don't want nobody take me see and spin it around, with just a reason. I love when them dark and just look different. Jackie said missing front teeth. Okay. Jackie again said his feet slash hands are smaller than mine. Okay. Jackie said, okay, me read that. He's not Jamaican. Alright, me read that already. So moving on. So Jilly said, I didn't like the way he ate. It just seemed so sloppy and yucky. Are that the answer, Jilly? Or yucky? The word there. Me know the word there. The word there when you just feel so, yeah, the word there. Cause why am I hearing you true? That is so true. Cause that is so true. Cause why are true so loud? Like, why are true your mouth so loud? Just be quiet. Me not love that either, Jilly. Bree said he's shorter than Brianna one. That is, he's shorter than me. Laugh out loud. I'm literally 5 feet. I won't date if you are shorter. Okay. Only one Rochelle said, if this person cannot spell, too many errors in your spelling is a no-no. Okay. Can understand. Not tell no lie. Sometimes I message them full of typo, you know. I know what I say, you know. Like I know what I'm saying, I know how to spell it. But sometimes I not even care if change the typo. And you say if I text somebody, I know so them understand and can read through it. I not gonna change it, I just send it off. Well, I just send it off because most of the time I don't really read over before I send off. After I send it off, I like read it. But WhatsApp have this new update where you can edit a text message and fix the spelling, but sometimes I not care if you do that because I just know who me I talk to can read through it. If they are Tony and say because them born September. Okay. Nayoka say doesn't celebrate Valentine's Day. Okay. Nay say not sure if it's petty, but if he still lives with his mom, learned my lesson. I gotta stop telling them what I feel about them things right now. I'm just gonna read them. And if you never participate in this, go ahead and comment in the comment section and tell me what phone petty reason why I know to date somebody. Paris said they are completely unintelligent. Okay. Paris say again they are religious and expect their partner to be as well. Okay. This person say they are unequally yoked. Okay. This person named Marsden. This person say how you dress, coming from a toxic home, not judging, but sometimes that can transfer baggage. Okay. Bella said, guys, if you don't hear me say this person saying something, sometimes the name them just too long. I'm just, just to speed up the video because enough reply. This person said, Bella, if they send a text with grammatical errors, oh God, man, cut him some slack. This person said, if the nails don't match what? Like if the toenail and the fingernail don't match or what? Talk to me in the comment section. Official Volcano TV. They act as if they know you more than you know yourself, and me hear what you know. Some read it over. They act as if they know you more than you know yourself, and I don't like a stuck-up person. Yeah, man, I like stuck-up people either. This person said bad hygiene. Yeah, can't deal with that. Nick said sneak. I say your name Sneak or a sneak. Calling me. You see what I'm telling us? Reading phone and stuff just make me know that I have more than what I think I have, because me not like this. Nick, I don't like this either. Me and you, girl, calling me mama, I hate it. She said that, she said I hate it, but me hate it too. Because why men feel like they must call you mama? Like, make it make sense. You just see a girl and I say, mama. I don't know. I think I only have 2 petty reasons, but I have more than 2. Because why you don't call me mama? I don't get it. This person said cause they're ugly. Okay. Simply possibilities say how you talk. Okay. This person said them always have a similar story, like them go through everything. Just feel like I lie more while. Okay. If every walk you walk, someone call. So this person said, if every walk you walk, someone call to them, just giving too friendly. Okay. If them chat more than me and I'm not talkative. Okay. This person say him have to get me. Yeah, cause why would I say you have to get me? Like even if you know something like you like, why you have to just say I have to get you, you know? I don't like that. You know. Have me too pet. Well, it's petty reasons. Yeah, me not like that. Now tell me say you have to get me. You know what I don't like? Imagine you have somebody together and them tell you say, I must breed you. Like, why you would have just said that to me? You know, probably how people say certain things. Why? Probably. This person say their teeth and feet. I know exactly what I say. I understand. This person say if it's evident that it's evident that this person won't represent me well. I'm sorry guys, me eat some fruits and me I tell you say every minute me I burp the pineapple. This person said how him walk. How somebody that walk for me say me not date them? How a person would have walk for me not date them? Unless them walk you know that little gangster walk that when them doing a movie like walk on boomer. I don't know, I don't like that walk there, but I would say I'm not going to date you because that, but I just tell her, come on, fix up yourself. I don't want to see you born. But if I saw them born though, I can't tolerate it. Okay, so Shen say, there is so much laugh out loud, but if the man mean, my God, if the man mean and have bad breath, I can't date him. Is that petty though? Alright, so let me tell you the bad breath part. Me can't stand it. Me not tell no lie. Me can't stand it. But one thing, me will date. It's so annoying, you know, but I'll date you. But I just like every time I smell a bread, cause one thing with me is a real girl, you know. Me not gonna make a girl road look certain way and certain things that I'm to you. Me go and tell you before nobody else have to tell you. So if your breath not right, I'll say, babe, you know, me come go brush your teeth or something. You understand? But if you're mean now, me not really can't do the mean man thing. Like, you understand? Me not say you have to do more than what you have to do, you know, but just not be mean. I'm not talking about with money alone, because when you talk about mean man, you just think boss said them not giving you any money, but you have some man, them all either eat and give you no food, them hide and do some things like some little petty stuff. So me I talk about everything across the board. Not talk about just money alone. But in regards to like the bad breath now, me will tell you, cause all I need to do is just brush your teeth, and if anything you just go dentist. Me can fix my man them. Like when it comes down to how them look. You understand? Cause I'm not really judgmental, but me will fix it. Like me will take care of your nails, me will groom you up here and bring you. You know, you don't have to be the cutest. That's just me. Me love my men unique. I don't judge them. I just fix them up to my liking, as in the type of clothes what them wear and stuff like that. So if it's breath, start out that. The dentist I would get something done. Yeah. Nicole now. When Nicole say they have the same name as somebody I know. Sorry, I can't date no one with my daddy name. I don't think I ever date nobody with my father name, you know. How do I feel in that situation they do? No, in that situation, I understand. Never date nobody with my father name. Have I? No? Nicole say again, oh, and crooked teeth, sorry. Okay. Lanique, sorry if I pronounce her name wrong. The way a man speak, I know a man who speak like say spit in a mouth, chat funny. The person here said no. He looks like my cousin. I know the person they used to date. I'm friends with the person they used to date. So, oh, she give more than one. So she said he knows. He looks like my cousin. That's a one. I know the person they used to date. That's a two. I'm friends with the person they used to date. Okay. Dredan said, if the person have that ugly cow laughing, I do it sometimes, you know. Me laugh them way sometimes, you know, especially when the joke funny, Lord God. Jojo said, can I get a gift for my unborn child? Aww, make a screenshot this. Jojo, make a reach out to you, Jojo. That's funny. Guys, me a screenshot it for reach out to Jojo. Wonder what kind of baby she have. Guys, we're gonna get Jojo one gift. That's funny. The way how me just read it like that. So this person said, wait, me screenshot it? Me screenshot it again because I can't remember if me just do it. Screenshot it and crop it down. Camera soon stop, you know. This person said when they text, they spelled the word incorrectly. Okay. This person said jealousy. That is more than a petty reason for to date somebody, mama. Eat slowly, smoke, green arm, food on teeth, white tongue, dirty nails, someone who is boastful. Okay. When talking, spit keeps flying out the mouth. Someone with the same name as my father or brother. Nicole, so somebody here, Pretty Morgan. So you wanna have the same thing. So you really would okay, I wanna feel about that, guys. For date somebody with a father name or a brother name. I never date nobody with my brother name either. I have two brothers. I don't know if I ever say two now. One from my father's side, one from my mother's side. Yeah, two brothers. No, I never did nobody with them name. Nor my father name. No. This person said, don't flush the toilet. That annoying for true. This person name worth the trouble. Girl. You see this one I'm going to read next? I don't like it. It's so tacky because why men feel like so they must do this? They mock you. So she said mock me. And then she continued to say mock me after doing on how, so mock me after doing on how I was, you know? Like them come and say, you don't know what she said. Like why you do that? Like why would you want to do that? Because why when we don't make we like a make back the sound them what we did a make? Girl. That's how I feel too. That's how I feel. This person said wear them pants below them waist. Don't love that either. This person said petty reason he didn't make me come. YouTube not even gonna know what that. I don't know. Could have been anything. But yeah, make get what I said. She said sorry to be so blunt. No, it's okay, mama. It's okay. Brittany said, not working, too much lies, never with your child, never speaking to your child, never doing for your child. Yeah, me not like that too, cause why you not pay your child no man? No, you make me think if me want to give a baby. She say again, calling women out of their names, like, you know, the whole disrespecting. Yeah, me not love that. I like that either. She say again, have the most to say about your baby mother, yet still she's the only one doing all for the child. Not have a relationship with God. Yeah. That is not a petty reason for date somebody. That is a must in none of my relationship them. I said my relationship then. She said, "Yeah, Brittany, go in, you know." Brittany said, "Show off and not humble, flashing money and monetary items to get me." Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like men who post them money either. Tamra say, if they chew with their mouth open, yeah. Men that try to be dominant and they don't naturally have it. Like sis, go sit down. Brittany, easy, you know. Men who every time they open their mouth, they have a curse word coming out. Yeah, can't bother with that. This person said they post pic of their money. That's corny to me. I just said that a true girl. If them house dirty plus me hate man we don't try to help themselves. Yeah, man must learn to help themselves for true. Cute Caddy say if he ain't got no kids cause I got 2 boys and I ain't having no more. Okay. This person said their personality and body odor. Okay. Chef said bad breath. Bless she is too short. So I really out here not like short men, man. This person said if they laugh too much, is it Shella or Chella? I think it's Chella. But yeah, if they laugh too much. Jennifer said fear of rejection. Tris said if a guy too short, I wouldn't date him because I'm 5'9". I want when I hug my partner, I feel protected. Lex said, oh, it's Lexia. Look, it thinks I'm a fix it. I'm gonna just say Lexia and then read that. Says Lexia said if he constantly texts and spell the words incorrectly, if him shoes ugly. The shoes ugly part is petty, but remember say petty reasons, guys. Dirty fingernail, yeah girl, dirty. This person said as a man you shouldn't be too talkative about the wrong things or nasty. Okay. So this person said if him teeth not clean and pretty. Okay. Kimberly said if they don't have the emotional intelligence I'm looking for, not really petty, but yeah, I understand what I say. If the person breathes too loud, if them teeth crooked. This person said them not dress good. Momo said career. I don't really understand that though, cause what about the career like? It's not what you'd want them to be doing, or if they don't have any career, or what about it? Can you just say that and left it there? So Rihanna say a walk and trip. Famous so sick say if they have a Netflix account and don't want to share the password. Famous, really? And they don't want to share, but why would you not want to share your Netflix password with your partner though? Why? It's kind of suspicious, because why you would want to share your Netflix password? I don't know, I'm probably a bit too negative. Let me not think too hard about it. But why you would want to share? Guys, me read off all of them. Me have to miss some. It done. I feel like I miss some. You know what I feel like happen? Because of how it stay. So look how it stays. Sometimes when you scroll, it probably go too fast. That's it, guys. It's done for true. But yeah, that is it. I enjoyed reading you guys petty reasons for not dating someone. Comment and let me know if I must do some more of these. I'm asking a question and then come read the responses over here. So let me know. Guys, if some of them is so like me in a grade 1 when me I read it, you have to remember say me I read text message where people type. So you know some of them write in a patois and everybody patois writing different, like different spelling for them patois writing. So that's why. But yeah, really enjoyed this video, I'm not lie. So comment below and let me know you guys petty reason for not dating someone. And as I say guys, when you don't come for the people them in the comment section, we're sending them reason here because it's their reason, not your reason for them reason. Comment and let me know if you can relate to whoever did say what and what them did say. So just talk to me in the comment section. Bye.